What's going on, everybody? Here I have a 2003 Nissan Altima 2.5 that has seen much better days. This car has a blown engine in it and was brought back after the engine blew. The person couldn't afford to fix it, so they just ended up buying something else. It's a pretty rough car. Pretty sure the battery's dead in it, and it's been sitting for about 8 months or so. I'm gonna see if it'll start up, and I'll give a quick tour on it too. A lot of people liked the video I did on trying to start that Jeep Grand Cherokee that we had, which we did put an engine in it, completely fixed everything in it. We had to put a transmission in it and sold it to somebody after we completely detailed it, and they love it. I was at school, so I couldn't videotape it, but I figured everybody would enjoy hearing that. So, see if the battery's charged. Nope. Alright, so pop the hood. This car was towed here. We've never tried to start it. So this is going to be interesting. I had to prop it open with a pole because it doesn't have the hood support. If I can get this to stay somewhere. Alright, so it's all hooked up. Let's see what happens. Got power. It shows 101,000 miles. Almost. Come on. It doesn't want to go. Come on. Take two. Yes. Come on. Come on. Oh. Almost had life. Come on. Let's try it again. Aww. Battery, take 5 or so. Battery's not strong enough. So, brought over the help of our 2006 Ford Expedition. It's got the 5.4 liter Triton V8. So I'll go ahead and get these hooked up. So everything's hooked up now. We're going to start the Expedition. Let it run for a second and see if we can't get a good charge out of it.
Releasing source.
Alright, let's give it a go. Moment of truth. Yes. Almost. Come on. Let's give it another second, let it rest. I think this thing will fire. Come on, you piece of crap. Come on. Unfortunately, this one just won't fire. It doesn't have enough compression to engage. I was told the flywheel is bad in it too. It's pretty much just screwed. Not sure what we're doing with it yet. Missing a couple caps here. But yeah, it was a good effort though. I'll go ahead and give you all a quick tour of it though, just in case I get any updates on it in the future. Headlights are pretty yellowed out. A lot of it's pretty much just normal wear and tear. The body isn't in that bad of a shape. Let's see. The bumper's pretty damaged. It's got a couple holes in it. Stressed clear coat. A little dent here. Unlock it from the other side. Show you all the interior. But yeah, bumper's got a lot of bug splatter damage on the front. You can probably see that. Grill's a little faded out. It's pretty typical on this age of car, I guess, or at least these. Steering wheel's a little worn down. It is leather. You got all your controls on the steering wheel. Do have at least enough power with the jump box on there to show at least all the power features. Stereo's good, isn't it? Interior's kind of nasty. This seat needs a really good cleaning. See if I can get this pole out without knocking myself in the head with this thing. There we go. If I get any updates on it, I'll let y'all know. And just so you all could get at least one startup and short drive out of this video, pull the Expedition back in its spot. There we go. Till next time, guys.